In this video, I'll show you how to make an online store. This video is really for educational purposes only. We're going to be using Shopify for this. So tap on my store here at the top. You're going to see create store. So tap on the create store. So I want to create our store right now. So wait for it to load up. So let's see for this. What should we call your store name? I can just type in test. So this is for test. Tap on continue. So you can select any of this. So let's wait for this to load up properly. So right now we have created our own online store. So if you tap on this right here now, you can see my store. You can see this is test. You guys can be able to come on here. You can edit your store from the settings option to your own very test and preference. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe.